Hello friends. Welcome to RiofTech. Want to know how I used Azure to analyze my mom's YouTube channel? I had a wonderful chat with my mother about her growing YouTube channel and her curiosity about its performance. This inspired me to use data analysis to create a detailed report, helping her gain insights and make informed decisions. So, I did the YouTube analysis in Azure Machine Learning Studio. To explore more on this, go to riovtech.com and check out the latest content. This blog contains all the interesting content related to Azure Platform as a Service, highlighting its key features, benefits, and practical use cases. Explore how Azure PaaS empowers businesses with scalability, flexibility, and seamless integration capabilities. Check out the link given in the description below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.